Welcome back to Bike Review Pro, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news and technical deep dives. Today we're clarifying some common confusion in the adventure market. You may have heard rumors about a CRF 750L, but the reality is much more exciting. Honda has officially refined its mid-weight adventure king for 2026. The Honda XL 750 Transalp E-Clutch. This isn't just a minor refresh. It's a significant leap forward in how we experience both the trail and the highway. The Honda E-Clutch represents a sophisticated evolution of the traditional manual transmission, designed to eliminate the mechanical stress of clutch lever operation without sacrificing the soul of a manual bike. At its core, the system utilizes two compact electronic actuators housed within the engine cover to manage clutch engagement and disengagement automatically. By processing data from various sensors, including engine RPM, throttle position, gear position, and shift rod load, the system's control unit coordinates fuel cut, ignition timing, and clutch actuation in milliseconds. This allows for seamless, shock-free gear shifts using only the foot pedal, effectively acting as an intelligent, automated assistant. For the rider, this means the end of engine stalls during stop-and-go city traffic, effortless hill starts, and a reduced learning curve for newcomers. Crucially, the system is not a fully automatic transmission like the heavier, more complex dual-clutch transmission, DCT. It preserves the mechanical agency that enthusiasts crave. The handlebar clutch lever remains fully functional. If the rider chooses to override the system at any time, a simple pull of the lever instantly shifts the bike back into full manual mode. Once the lever is released, the E-Clutch seamlessly resumes control after a short delay. Integration with the bike's throttle-by-wire (TBW) system further refines the experience, allowing for precise downshift blipping and enhanced stability on loose surfaces, adding only about 2 to 3 kilograms to the bike's overall weight. The E-Clutch manages to combine the convenience of an automatic with the visceral performance and engagement of a manual, providing a versatile, stress-free riding experience that can be switched off entirely via the TFT display, if a pure, traditional manual feel is desired. The 2026 Honda XL 750 Transalp E-Clutch achieves a new benchmark for middleweight adventure performance by balancing high-output engineering with refined, rider-focused control. At its core remains the spirited 755cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, which produces a muscular 92 horsepower and 75 Nm of torque. This Unicam power plant, shared with the CB750 platform, utilizes a 270 degrees crank configuration to deliver a distinctive torquey character that feels equally adept at relaxed highway touring as it does at aggressive backroad carving. Honda has meticulously refined the 2026 chassis to elevate the bike's overall capability. A major leap forward is the transition to fully adjustable Showa suspension. Both the 43mm SFFCA inverted front forks and the ProLink rear shock now feature adjustable compression and rebound damping. This allows riders to tailor the bike's feedback to specific terrain, whether seeking extra plushness for long-distance comfort or firm support for spirited trail riding. These improvements effectively address feedback from previous models, creating a more planted, composed ride that resists wallowing under heavy braking or hard acceleration. Furthermore, the integration of the E-Clutch system into the throttle-by-wire (TBW) suite has unlocked a new level of performance agility. By enabling seamless, clutchless up and down shifts that are perfectly matched by the ECU, the bike maintains momentum and engine composure in ways traditional quick-shifters cannot. When paired with 5 customizable riding modes, which fine-tune throttle response, traction control, engine braking, and ABS, the Transalp transforms from a docile commuter into a capable precision-tuned adventure rig at the touch of a button. Ultimately, the 2026 updates solidify the Transalp's position as a versatile all-rounder that refuses to compromise on either punchy, real-world power or technical off-road maturity. The 2026 Honda XL 750 Transalp E-Clutch elevates the rider's experience through a sophisticated, highly intuitive suite of digital tools. At the heart of this interface is a vibrant, 5-inch full-color TFT display, designed for clarity in all lighting conditions. This screen serves as the central command hub, allowing riders to navigate complex settings, such as fuel consumption data, trip meters, and gear position, with ease using the left-hand switch cluster. The technology is deeply integrated with Honda's throttle-by-wire (TBW) system, providing a versatile range of 6 riding modes: Sport, Standard, Rain, Gravel, and 2 fully customizable user modes. These settings act as a master switch for the bike's performance character, automatically calibrating 4 levels of engine power, 3 levels of engine braking, 2 ABS settings, and 5 levels of Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC). The inclusion of wheelie control within the HSTC system offers an extra layer of safety and confidence, particularly on unpredictable surfaces. Connectivity remains a priority, with the integrated Honda RoadSync system enabling seamless smartphone pairing. Through this, riders can manage navigation, media playback, and communication directly via the handlebar controls, minimizing distractions on the move. Safety is further bolstered by the Emergency Stop Signal (ESS) system, which automatically activates the hazard lights under sudden braking to warn trailing traffic. Whether you are fine-tuning the traction control for a technical off-road climb or syncing your commute with turn-by-turn directions, the Transalp's tech suite ensures that control is always immediate, logical, and at your fingertips. By blending these digital innovations with the mechanical precision of the e-clutch, Honda has created an environment where the bike feels less like a collection of parts and more like a responsive, intelligent partner on the road. With 3 striking new color options and updated, exclusive graphics, the 2026 Transalp looks as aggressive as it performs. Positioned with a base MSRP of $10,199, it remains a fantastic value for a machine that bridges the gap between lightweight dual sports and heavy-duty touring rigs. The 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp is a masterclass in improvement. By adding the e-clutch, adjustable suspension, and a standard skid plate, Honda has addressed the most common requests from the community, creating an even more capable and accessible adventure machine. It proves that the Transalp name is not just a nod to history. It is a modern leader in the adventure world. What do you think of the new e-clutch technology? Does it make the Transalp your top pick for your next adventure, or do you prefer the traditional manual setup? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Review Pro for more updates, comparisons, and technical breakdowns of the latest machines on the market.